You are a person of interest. Police are appealing to the security guard involved in the beating and abduction of a man in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, to turn himself in. 2 more suspects are in custody in relation to the December 28 incident. Now this brings to 4 the number of persons detained. A frightening tale of torture that police are still trying to piece together. Investigators in St. Catherine say they are making progress in their probe of the December 28 incident in Taws Meadows, Spanish Town. Deputy Superintendent Balvi Thomas is the lead investigator.
We are at a delicate stage now. 4 persons are in custody. We'll be preferring charges against 1 today. And the other 3, the investigation is ongoing around them to also prefer charges.
Gun and other related charges will be proffered against the 17-year-old teen who was taken to juvenile court today. He was one of 2 persons arrested on the night of the abduction. 2 employees of the pharmacy where the incident started were brought in custody on Wednesday by their attorneys. Investigators are appealing for a 3rd to turn himself in.
One of the security guards is presently not with us yet. His lawyer contacted us and told us that he will take in his client, and we are imploring him to do so because the investigation is at a delicate stage and we want him to come in to us. Presently, he's a person of interest and we want him to come into the police.
Sources say only one of the 3 men involved in the initial attack was employed as a security guard with the pharmacy, but noted there is no evidence that the individual is employed to a registered security company. DSP Thomas, in the meantime, says the owners and operators of the pharmacy are cooperating with investigators.
Person connected to the pharmacy, separate from the security guards, have been questioned even today. As it relates to the concern, it's an investigation, so we're still conducting investigation. And I must say this, though, that the persons from the pharmacy, they are very cooperative.
Mr. Thomas is also urging business operators in Spanish Town not to take punitive action in their own hands.
When you have these issues where we suspect that anything is happening or we suspect persons, let us call the police and to have the police investigate and resolve the matter.
Police report that on December 28, officers responded to a kidnapping incident after intelligence suggested there was a credible threat to life after thugs demanded ransom for the man's release.